Hey folks, I've got my Walmart Hyper Tough brand 20 volt weed eater here. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out of string or the string gets sucked back into the head. First thing to do, take the battery out if you haven't already. Make sure you don't accidentally trigger that. Next thing is to work here on the head. And there are these two red buttons on either side there. What you need to do is squeeze those such that you can get your fingernails underneath one side of it and pry it up there like that. And then you can take this whole headpiece off. Now, I've already taken my string out, but if you have any string remaining there, you can just pull this straight out, this piece here, take out any bad string in there. Next, you're going to need a length of new replacement string, 18 to 19 feet, that's what I've got here. This is 0.65 diameter round string, and maybe you have it on a spool. Instead of cutting off 19 feet, you can just take your package and just pull it out as you need it. What you're going to do here, on this piece here that we took out of the center, there's a little cutout in there, right there at the top. You're going to put your string in that cutout like that, and then pull it backwards. That's going to hold the string in that little hole I showed, and then you're just going to wind the string all the way around until it's fully wound. You want to keep a nice even layer as much as you can, and I'm going to do this all the way until I use up all the string. Okay, now I'm at the end there. Now that I've got that to the end, you can see the top part of this that has the writing on it, and the bottom part that has what looks like gears. The bottom part's going to go in first. Easiest thing to do is take the string here while holding it on the spool to keep it from unwinding. You're going to just run that through, and then place this spool over the hole there. I'm keeping a little bit of tension on the string here to keep it from unwinding, and you'll want to turn this thing a little bit, make sure it locks in place. So there it is. It locks in place. Now, with that held, I'm going to hold that like that. Hold that piece of string there, a little bit of tension, and I'm going to put this cover back on with the tabs going into those empty holes there, into the slots. Now you can see that it's not quite sticking out. Probably not quite far enough. It's close. This will automatically extend itself. One thing you can do to extend it a little bit further, there's this black button on the one side here. You can press this black button, and that'll allow you to pull it out a little bit. I just pulled it out some. And that's all there is to it. It takes just a couple minutes to reload the string, and you're back in action. If that's been helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, any of that stuff. Thanks for watching.